Hi guys, this is console table features a warm farmhouse design with a rustic wood look that fits perfectly in for almost any space. Whatever is your entryway, hallway, living room or behind this sofa. The color block finish combines light and dark brown tones, giving it cozy, elegant vibe that stands out without behind too loud. But it's not just about looks. This table is super versatile. You can use it as a decorative shelf, a place to drop your case and bags, or even compact standard desk for working or studying. It's sturdy, functional and blind beautiful with most home decor stylish. Assembly is simple, it comes with clear instructions and even a QR code that walks you through each step. Whenever you organize your space or just want to add a touch or charm to your home, this table gets a job done.